What's up, designers? It's your girl Rachel, your fellow designer, and welcome to the UI UX UG channel. Today, I would like to explain to you in the simplest terms what UI UX means in design. Let's dive straight into it. You probably have wondered what these acronyms mean. UI UX sounds really fancy, right? But no worries, I can break them down for you. I gotcha. So let's go straight to UI. What do you think UI is? Simple. UI stands for user interface. And user interface is that which you see when you open an application. For example, if you're here in Uganda, you must have used Jumia. When you open Jumia and you see the orange interface all over the place, that is user interface. Let's go straight to user experience. UX stands for user experience. Very simple. How you feel when using a certain application. How you feel when you open a certain UI. That's very simple. Pretty simple, right? So when you have a good user interface, you create a good user experience. And when you have a bad user interface, you create a bad user experience. Let's look at this. A bad user interface has cluttered layouts, confusing navigations, inconsistent designs. Oh my God, readability poor. Oh no, this is not our dream. A good user interface, minimal designs, concise call to actions, patterns, and logical. Oh my God, this is the dream interface for every one of you. Look at this. And so now let's see this in reality. You can pause and just look at how bad the user interface is on your left. Look at that. And then look at how good it is on your right. Very simple, very clear. Everything flows so seamlessly. There's just enough white space. Everything flows logically. Look at this side on the left. That is not your dream. I do not dream that for you. The Lord said He wishes good for you, and I'm here to echo that. For that reason, you deserve a very good burger. Thank you for watching till the end, and I wish you all the best as a designer. Never make any user's experience a bad one. See ya. Bye. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know what you want to see next. I'm here, your designer, and I'm glad to be your designer. Thank you. Bye.